Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using the photopolymer stamp set labeled with love. I like this stamp set. My go-to for the happy birthday. And then this flower, that's all we're using. And I just created a card like this and had to create one more and did this one in a workshop that we had. It's like a fractured card, so I wanted to do another one and share it with you guys. And this is the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. And you guys, this, yeah, you know, purple's my favorite color, and this is the paper that we're using. I used it some, not a lot, but some. Here it's a scrap, but I think it's 3 by 3.5 or 3 1/4. This here is cut 4 by 5 1/4. This is a scrap, but I think it's 3 1/4. Oh, my blade needs to be changed. And by 4, and this is for the inside of the card, which is basic white, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then these are for layering. This is a 2 by 2 square and a 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 square. And our card base, gorgeous grape. Look at that beautiful vibrant color. This is cut 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and this is our card base. And I just burnished the edges or the fold, and then we'll go ahead and get started. I have my silicone craft sheet here. Silicone, nothing actually sticks. You can see some speckles of glue here, and when I'm done, I'll go ahead and clean it. The glue just kind of wipes off. As you can see, I'm like rubbing it off of the mat or the sheet. And this I can just go ahead and glue to the inside of the card. Just going there at the bottom. Just like this. And actually, let's do our stamping with gorgeous grape ink. Love it. Then I'm just gonna put the flower here at the top. Make sure I got the ink on there, y'all. And I think there is up on this, because the buds, you see it, those I think are flower buds, so it's facing up. And then here I'm gonna put the happy birthday here, a little off to the side, just like that. And then taking the flower. Oh, and I was just looking for a scrap piece of paper, because I'm gonna stamp off. I'm gonna stamp off. Well, I don't want to. I like to stamp on my table. Oh, but I'm gonna go, yeah, off like this. Then it's like a lighter color, yeah. Stamp off again and come up over here on the side. See that? Yeah, this would be like the fractured card. Did I say that earlier? That's what I'm trying to do again, is the fractured card. I like that. So we're going to take this and we're going to just put it here in the center with this here. Just like this. And I'm taking one of these, and I'm just going to place them here so that I get a corner. Then I'm taking one of these are, oh, I didn't say it, but these are gorgeous grape, and these are 1/4 inch. These are like scraps inside the bag, cardstock bag, and I'm butting it right into that corner. And see, this one here is not glued down, but I'm using the corner. See that? It's in the corner, and then I can take this one away, and it should be flush or straight. Yeah, and then I'll turn it so that I can work with this. And I can use this one here that I just took off. I'll put the glue here. No need too much glue, just enough. If I never put enough, I can always add to. And then I'm putting it right into that corner. Flush into that corner, you see? Yeah, see? No more too much glue over here. So I'm gonna put a little dot right there. Now I probably put too much. And I'm gonna turn it. Here's a short one. I only need a short one. I'm gonna put a little bit glue again. Just a little bit, see? And put them right in that corner again. And yeah, these were just scraps in there. Quarter inch thick. See, quarter inch thick. And I just get one more side to go. See, not too much glue. Not much, not much. Right in that corner. Pushing down so that the glue grabs and holds. And there we have it. Getting my paper snips. I have the one that has the ribbon on, and I knew this is the one I used with glue last time. So I'm gonna go and cut it. I'm actually cutting it here, and you can see I got some dried up glue right there. Putting my handles down below the paper so that I can trim. Trying not to trim my DSP over here. I did that last time in my last video. Here we go, you guys. Okay, so from here, it looks pretty still, yeah? I mean, already. Yeah, if you want to, you could leave them like that. But I got another piece of DSP here that I'm gonna put over here. And this probably could have been a smaller piece, like a 3x3. But I cut it as a 3. I'm putting a little bit glue in this space. I cut it as a 3, I think it was 3.5 by 3 or 3.25. I'm sorry, 3.25, I think. And then, oh, I don't know, I put my scissors away, my paper snips, but I just need to take it back out and trim along the edge of the 4 by 5.25 piece. There we have it. I'm going to turn this piece so I can put glue over here. I'm going right across the other one, or diagonal. And plenty of room over here. I'm going to use this side over here. Give it a second to grab on there and adhere or stick on. Turn them over again and then cut. So I am cutting along the bigger piece of DSP along the edge. Trying to cut that, not to cut this paper, just this one. Yeah, and there we have it. Then I want to grab some dimensionals for this one. 4. I can put 4. Okay, no, I can put 5. Just so no sag in the middle. Dimensional happy, guys. Dimensional happy. It adds dimension to our project. There we go, centering it inside the white, just like that. And then we can put our card together. This one goes on the outside. Oh, I had glue over there, a little blob of glue. Okay. This one here, thicker than I usually have it, but it looks good. I mean, you can see the flowers, yeah? The design, the print. And then this just goes right on top, glue flat down. This side is nice too. Yeah. And then center best as you can. And with the glue, I have a little bit of wiggle room time. You see me adjusting. Yeah. And then I got twine here. And I'm gonna put them right on the side over here. Just for a little bit of interest. And then, yes, I got some rhinestones. Gotta have rhinestones, you guys. I'm gonna use the small one. Gonna add it in the middle of the flowers. Now, I'm not gonna put them in every one, just 3. And there we have it, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like that? I love this color. Gorgeous grape. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!